Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add free shipping on Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are on Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do is we are gonna go for settings right here, click settings, and go into shipping and delivery. And from here you would want to go here into the custom shipping rates right here, and then from here click on create a new profile if you don't have one yet, and from here you should be able to see this shipping zone. So if you have already a shipping zone set up right here with all its rates, then you would need to remove all of them and then create a new zone, which is click here. And from here basically you'll just go for every country right here. You can go for Asia and everything. You can select everything right here. You may select everything Europe and so on, North America, Oceania, and so on. So this is free shipping worldwide. But if you only want a certain region, then of course you would need to uncheck some of this right here that you would not want to have free shipping. And then you can go for free shipping right here on the name. Depending on what you want, click on done. And then from here you want to click on add rates, and from here basically you want to go for flat rate, and then custom, and then the name is free shipping. And as you can see, it says right here now. So when they check this out, this is what they would see right here. So let's go for free shipping right here. And then the description will be optional. So if you add that, it would be like this right here. So we'll just not add that, and then just like that. And then you can already see the price right here. So of course, since we are doing a free shipping, it should be at 0. So we're going to click on done. Now all that's left is to click on save. And after that, as you can see, it says to create profile, one change is needed. So profile name, we forgot this one. So let's go for free shipping and click on save now. And then it is now all good. So now you have successfully created a free shipping promo or free shipping on your product page or your checkout. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.